Washington, D.C. homeowners experience a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot, humid summers to cold winters with occasional snow. Because of these seasonal shifts, choosing the right doors for your home is essential. Sliding glass doors are a popular option, offering both style and functionality. When designed and installed properly, they perform well in DC's climate while enhancing comfort, efficiency, and overall living space. One of the biggest advantages of sliding glass doors is their ability to handle temperature fluctuations. Modern sliding doors are built with insulated frames and multi-pane glass that help reduce heat transfer. During the summer, these features limit how much heat enters the home, making it easier to keep indoor spaces cool. In the winter, they help retain warmth, preventing cold air from seeping inside. This balance is especially important in Washington, D.C., where seasonal extremes can impact indoor comfort. Energy efficiency is another key factor in performance. Older sliding glass doors may allow drafts or air leaks, which can increase energy costs. Today's models are designed with tight seals, advanced weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass coatings that improve insulation. These features help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce the workload on heating and cooling systems. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on utility bills. Humidity is also a consideration in DC's climate, particularly during the summer months. Sliding glass doors with proper sealing and moisture-resistant materials help prevent excess humidity from entering the home. This reduces the risk of condensation, mold, or mildew forming around the doorframe. Many modern doors are designed to manage moisture effectively, ensuring long-term durability and a healthier indoor environment. Another important aspect of performance is resistance to weather elements. Sliding glass doors are built to withstand rain, wind, and occasional snow. High-quality models include drainage systems that direct water away from the frame, preventing leaks and water damage. In areas like Washington, D.C., where sudden storms can occur, this protection is essential for maintaining the integrity of the door and surrounding structure. Durability is also a strong advantage. Sliding glass doors typically feature sturdy materials such as vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames, all of which are designed to resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. These materials hold up well against both summer heat and winter cold, ensuring that the doors continue to function properly over time. Ease of operation is another benefit that homeowners appreciate year-round. Sliding doors move horizontally along a track, making them simple to open and close. Even during colder months, when some doors may become stiff, properly maintained sliding glass doors continue to operate smoothly. Regular cleaning of the track and occasional lubrication help maintain this ease of use. Natural light is a major advantage of sliding glass doors, and it plays a role in seasonal performance as well. Large glass panels allow sunlight to enter the home, which can help warm interior spaces during colder months. At the same time, energy-efficient glass helps control heat gain during the summer, ensuring that natural light does not lead to overheating. Ventilation is another benefit that supports year-round comfort. Sliding glass doors can be partially opened to allow fresh air to circulate, which is especially useful during mild spring and fall weather. This natural airflow reduces the need for mechanical cooling and creates a more comfortable indoor environment. Proper installation is critical to ensuring that sliding glass doors perform well in Washington, D.C.'s climate. A professionally installed door will be properly aligned, sealed, and insulated, preventing issues such as drafts, leaks, or uneven operation. Without proper installation, even high-quality doors may not deliver the expected performance. Maintenance also plays a role in long-term performance. Keeping the glass clean, inspecting seals, and ensuring the track remains free of debris helps the door function efficiently. With regular care, sliding glass doors can continue to perform reliably through all seasons. In conclusion, Sliding glass doors are a practical and stylish option for Washington, D.C. homes. Their ability to handle temperature changes, resist moisture, and provide energy efficiency makes them well suited for the region's seasonal climate. With proper installation and maintenance, they offer long-lasting performance, improved comfort, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces.